Hi there, I am outside 3D Platform right now on this beautiful, slightly windy, but beautiful day with the Roadshow bus, the 3DP Roadshow bus, and Don McFarlane. Don, could you please tell us, what is the 3DP Roadshow?
The 3D Platform Roadshow is where I take this large format 3D printer and drive it around the country and take it to potential customers and clients and demonstrate and answer technical questions about how it works and what materials it can utilize and stuff like that. So
that sounds great. So with that, where are you headed first?
So from here, and for this portion of the road show, I am heading out to Las Vegas to the Discovery Channel's Tanked TV show guys. They just received one of our printers, and I'm dropping off some stuff to them and making sure they're comfortable with making sure how the printer is running and stuff. And from there I'm heading to Reno, Nevada. And then from Reno I'm heading to San Francisco, and then to either Colorado or Arizona, and then the other after that, and then on to Texas, then back to Arizona, and then start working my way towards the East Coast.
So it sounds like you have a lot of miles ahead of you. But when you're out there, what are some of your favorite things about the 3DP, or 3D Platform, Roadshow?
Probably my favorite part about doing the entire roadshow is the number of people and diversity of people that I get to work with and interact with. It's every industry, and it's some of the smartest, most creative people in our country. And the fact that I can actually stand there and talk with them one-on-one, to me is a huge, great part of this job. And the fact that I get to see the entire country.
Thank you guys for watching. For more information, click on the links below or send us a message. And please stay tuned to follow Don on his journey across the country.